Pioneer Woodlands. Location: EDSA Core, Pioneer Street, Mandaluyong City, Metro Manila. Connected to MRT, Bunis Station, near BGC, Makati and Ortigas. Meron po kaming RFO or Ready for Occupancy and pre-selling para po sa gustong mag-invest at wala pang plano na tumira agad sa loob ng 1 to 3 years. Pre-selling unit is good for you. Mas mura ang net selling price compare sa Ready for Occupancy or RFO. At ang turnover po ng mga units sa loob lang po ng 4 years with 0 interest and 5% discount plus no down payment. Mag-iipon ba muna bago mag-invest? Honestly, ma'am, sir, ang real estate habang tumatagal mas tumataas ang currency. Sabihin na natin the studio unit or 1 bedroom ranging around 3 to 6 million. At next year, 2026, I'm sure na mas tataas pa ang value nito. At para naman sa gustong lumipat agad, RFO or Ready for Occupancy ang para sa'yo. And our monthly amortization is 31,000. Mabigat ba ang 31 monthly amortization? Don't worry, pwede nating i-adjust yan to 20,000 through a special term. And for down payment, 300,000 to move in. At ang Pioneer Woodlands ay nasa prime location. Katabi lang siya mismo ng MRT Bunis Station. Malapit ang mga schools, hospital, supermarket, and government institution. At isa rin sa pinakamaganda sa Pioneer Woodlands ay pwede mong gawing negosyo ang condo unit mo through Airbnb for staycation and long-term rentals. Available units: studio, 1 bedroom, and 2 bedroom. Iniimbitahan po kita para makita mo sa aktual ang gusto mong unit at magagandang amenities at para ma-explain na rin ang buong detalye. Pet friendly, lifetime ownership, flood free, prime location, and one of the best developer here in the Philippines. For inquiries, reservation, and appointment, message me in our page Metro Manila Care Realty, Tahanang Pinoy, or contact me through Viber and WhatsApp. I'm LUB Mabaw Jr., accredited real estate sales agent. Have a nice day. God bless us always. Thank you.